Welcome back! We're so excited to have you join us in our vibrant, playful world where creativity knows no limits and every color is celebrated. Whether you're a returning artist or brand new to the studio, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into unapologetic glam. Think of your face as a claymation character ready to come alive. Imagine bold colors, dramatic shapes, and a sense of fun that jumps right off the screen. This is your chance to experiment and express yourself in ways you never thought possible. Forget complicated routines. We'll break it down step by step and have fun along the way. Each step is designed to be easy to follow, so you can focus on enjoying the process and letting your imagination run wild. No pressure, just pure creative play. We're sculpting, molding, and painting a look so flawless, it jumps off the screen. Every detail is a chance to add your own flair. Don't be afraid to go bold or try something totally new. This is about creating, not covering up. Every brushstroke is your artistic choice. Think of your face as a canvas and your tools as the brushes that bring your vision to life. There's no right or wrong here, only what feels true to you. Whether you want a little sparkle or a confidence boost, this look is for you. Maybe you're after a subtle shimmer, or maybe you want to shine as bright as a disco ball. Either way, you're in the right place. Grab your snacks, put on your favorite music, and let's play with makeup. Set the mood, get comfy, and make this your time to unwind and have fun. The more relaxed you are, the more your creativity will flow. There are no mistakes here, just happy accidents and creative detours. If something doesn't go as planned, turn it into something new. Sometimes the best looks come from unexpected twists. Let go of perfection. Enjoy the process and fall in love with your creation. Celebrate every step, every color, and every unique detail that makes your look yours. Ready to become a stop-motion superstar? Let's get our hands dirty and make some magic together. The Glam Claymation Studio is your playground, so let's dive in, unleash your inner artist, and create something unforgettable. Let's go! Before we start, let's gather our clay, your makeup and tools. For the base moisturizer, primer, full coverage foundation, and a lighter concealer, sculpt and color with contour, blush, and a blinding highlighter. Frame your masterpiece with brow products and set them with gel. For eyes, a palette with neutrals and shimmers, eyeliner, mascara, and dramatic falsies. Finish with lip liner, lipstick, and a setting spray to lock it all in. With everything ready, our artist's station is set. Let's sculpt. Every masterpiece starts with a prepped base. Apply moisturizer to hydrate and smooth your skin. Let it absorb, then press in primer. Focus on areas with larger pores or where makeup fades. Primer creates a tacky surface for foundation to grip, ensuring long-lasting wear. Don't rush. Let each layer set before moving on. This patience pays off with a flawless, professional finish. Think of it as prepping your clay for sculpting. A well-prepped canvas makes everything easier and more enjoyable. Now let's add some color. Let's begin by creating a flawless base. This is where the magic starts. Foundation is your canvas, setting the stage for everything that follows. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone, and don't forget to prep your skin with moisturizer and primer for a smooth application. Dot foundation evenly across your cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Using a damp sponge, gently bounce and blend the product into your skin. This technique helps achieve a seamless, airbrushed finish that looks natural and radiant, not cakey. Next, reach for your concealer. Apply it under your eyes to brighten dark circles and add a touch down the bridge of your nose, on your forehead and chin. Blend it out with your sponge or fingertips, focusing on lifting and illuminating the high points of your face. Now, it's time to add dimension. Use a contour product a few shades deeper than your skin tone. Apply it in the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline and around your forehead. Blend upwards and outwards to create soft, natural-looking shadows that sculpt your features. Remember, building your products in thin, gradual layers gives you more control and helps everything blend together beautifully. This approach prevents harsh lines and keeps your makeup looking fresh and skin-like. Always start with a small amount of product. You can easily add more if needed, but it's much harder to take away excess. This way, you avoid overdoing it and maintain a natural, effortless look. Think of this process as sculpting. Each step shapes and defines your face, enhancing your natural beauty. Take your time to blend and refine, letting your features gradually emerge. As you layer and blend, you'll see your features come to life, gaining depth and character. This is the moment where your unique beauty shines through. Take your time and enjoy the transformation. Remember, you're the artist here. Embrace the process and have fun bringing your vision to life. Let's add color and life. Start with blush on the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. Next, dust highlighter on cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow and brow arch for a radiant glow. Frame your face with brows outline, fill with hair-like strokes and set with gel for a lifted effect. For extra vibrancy, apply blush and highlight before setting your face. These touches bring warmth, dimension and sparkle. Brows add expression and polish to your look. Small tricks, big impact. Your masterpiece is taking shape. Ready for the eyes? The eyes tell your story. Let's make them pop. Whether you're going for a subtle daytime look or a bold, dramatic statement, your eyes are the perfect canvas to express your creativity and mood. Let's walk through each step to make your eyes truly unforgettable. Start by priming your lids with concealer or a dedicated eyeshadow primer. This step is essential for making your eyeshadow colors appear more vibrant and last all day without creasing. A smooth, even base helps every shade you apply look its best. Next, sweep a neutral shade into your crease as a transition color. This creates depth and makes blending other shades much easier. Use a fluffy brush and soft windshield wiper motions for a seamless effect. Deepen the outer corner with a darker shade, blending it gently into your crease and outer lid. This adds dimension and drama, giving your eyes that captivating, lifted look. Remember, blending is your best friend here, no harsh lines. For instant glam, press a shimmery or metallic shade onto the center of your lid. This catches the light and makes your eyes sparkle. You can use your fingertip or a flat brush for maximum impact. Now, it's time for winged liner. Draw a thin line along your upper lash line, then flick it upward at the outer corner and connect for a bold, defined wing. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Practice makes perfect, and you can always clean up with a bit of concealer. Apply a generous coat of mascara to your top and bottom lashes, wiggling the wand from root to tip for maximum volume. If you want extra impact, add dramatic false lashes. They instantly elevate any look. Before placing your false lashes, wait for the glue to get tacky. This helps them stick better and prevent slipping. Use tweezers for precision and place them as close to your natural lash line as possible. Once your lashes are in place, blend your natural and false lashes together with another coat of mascara. This step ensures a seamless, natural-looking finish. Blending is key. Take your time to softly blend all your eyeshadow edges for a flawless, professional finish. The more you blend, the more polished your look will be. Your eyes are now the star of the show. With these steps, you're ready to turn heads and let your eyes do all the talking. Let's finish strong. Final step, give your character a voice with the perfect lip. Outline and fill lips with liner, then apply lipstick for color and longevity. Choose nude for classic glam or bold for drama. It's your call. Seal your masterpiece with setting spray, mist in an X&T motion. This melts powders and locks everything in place for hours. Step back and admire your work. You sculpted a full glam masterpiece. Remember, makeup has no rules. Switch up colors, go bolder, or add more sparkle. Anyone can be glam with practice and creativity. Show off your art and own your confidence. Now go shine.